So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is we're going to change my handlebar. So because I use the controller of this kind of YKK controller, so that's why it's very ugly to see there have a dashboard here from Xiaomi. So that's why I will change the handlebar now. So let's go and let's do it now. So right guys, so this is my handlebar. So as you can see, I have a new dashboard from YKK controller here. And then this nothing I not use it now. So today we're going to change the handlebar. I will take it this all and then I will change the new one, this one. So this my new handlebar. As you can see, this bar is for bicycle, and then another one is this, and then the handlebar. So let's go and let's take out this first, and then we will change, and then we will wiring the brake, and then also the cable from the controller. So let's go. So right guys, so first we're going to take out this kind of all of this kind of connected to the controller.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So alright guys, so we are already take out now. Right. So as you can see, so now we're going to change. So we're going to change this one. Alright guys, so we are going to put now. So this handlebar is carbon on the bicycle. So I already changed already. So now we're going to wiring the brake and then the throttle of the motor and then the controller of this. So alright guys, so we are already put the handlebar, the new handlebar. So now we're going to put the throttle and then the brake level. So alright guys, so we already need to wiring the protection of the headlight. This one, guys, as you can see, is very so we need to put the tape to become exactly the hole of this side. Already finished now. This is it. So right guys, so we are already finished now. As you can see, this is my new handlebar. So beautiful. Look like a big scooter. And I already wiring to the wire connected to the brake lever and then the controller. It's too much big. So this is it guys. So thank you for watching of this kind of video. So see you to my next vlog.